Alright guys, I got a pretty cool unboxing for you today. This is of the Benchmade Mini Bugout 533. So this is my first Benchmade knife. I've actually never bought a knife from Benchmade before. This is actually my first time seeing the knife in person, so hopefully you guys enjoy this as much as I do and you can come along with me on the journey. So getting into the box, you would think for the price that the box would be a little bit nicer. Um, But I guess that's just not how Benchmade rolls. They probably use the same box for every knife. Here's the knife in a little sleeve. So here's your Benchmade warranty use and care manual. This is going to be important for if you need to make a warranty claim at any point, if your knife chips, breaks, whatever. Moving into the knife. So the knife does come in this little sleeve. This is pretty cool. Nice quality sleeve if you want to just throw this around in a bag or something and it won't scratch up the knife. If you're a collector, there's probably like a little dust bag for it, but I won't be really using this very much. Getting into the actual knife, you can see this is really good quality carbon fiber. It's not hollow, it's solid. Really, really cool blue accents on the knife. That's one thing that really drew me to the knife is these blue accents. You have it on the thumb screw here, and then obviously in the middle. So this little card comes in the clip. This is just telling you that you can move the clip from the right side to the left side. It does come right side mounted, so it's really up to you, however you want to hold your knife, how you want to carry it. These are the screw holes to actually mount that to the other side, so it's good that they actually have that on the handle of the knife. This honestly feels like a really good quality tool. Really nice finishing work on the blade. Wow. Seems really sturdy. I don't feel any play in the actual blade itself. Pretty dirty though. I'm not really sure if all Benchmades come this dirty or not, or if this is just something that's unique to mine or whatever. This might have been sitting in a warehouse for a while, who knows. But that drop is not there. You see a lot of videos of these Benchmade knives with the axis lock, and people are just like pulling the axis lock down and the knife is just perfectly closing. That's not going to be the case with every Benchmade knife, it seems, because it's not the case with this one. You might have to just loosen up that nut a little bit. I did watch a video on that on YouTube, so I'm pretty sure it's a T9 you would use to loosen that up. Very beautiful finishing, though. It's hard to pick that up on camera. Very, very beautiful finishing on this knife. If you're a collector, you're really going to enjoy this. If you're somebody who just is going to use the knife every day like I am, this is something that you're going to enjoy as well, because you know that the S90V steel is pretty great quality, and it's not gonna break on you or fold over as quickly as a lower quality steel would. So just coming in here with no glove on to get the most grip on the knife, that axis lock is still really tight. I thought that it was just me. It was just the way that I was pulling it down. Maybe I wasn't pulling it down all the way, but even pulling the axis lock down all the way, it's hard to get the blade to drop. So I just have to loosen that screw a little bit just to get the knife to have that perfect drop, as you've seen in so many videos online. I could definitely make that happen. So very easy adjustment. I'm not hating on the knife. I won't send it back for that little tiny thing. So that's just something that I'll adjust myself. Great quality though. Now, is this knife worth it? That's one thing that you really need to ask yourself when you're buying a knife like this. Is it worth it? Do you think that it's something you want to spend that much money on? Honestly, it's for you to decide, and if your budget can handle it, then why not? If you like the video, please drop a like on the video, subscribe to see more, and until next time, peace.